These are our low profile bar clamps, and this is what comes in the package. You've got the portrait adapter plate and then the two clamps. There is a machined aluminum nut, a screw, and a small washer. So if you take this off of a bike and you're wondering if you have all the parts, this is what you need. To install the bar clamps, you put them together like this, and then you slide them onto this dovetail. The way they work is they're going to slide back and forth, but once you clamp them around a bar, the clamps lever out and wedge the dovetails in the portrait adapter plate, holding everything rock solid. The portrait plate can mount in multiple orientations, so you can mount in this direction using the two supplied flathead screws. You can also mount down here. You can mount in this orientation, centered, or this side, this side. So you place the portrait plate on the phone mount first, and then you slide the clamps in. Place it over your handlebars, and then you tighten this screw.